Good morning from the Albuquerque International Sunport. My name is Connor, and welcome back to another Nix Aviation trip report. Today, I will be flying with United Airlines on board their Boeing 737-900ER to Denver in Economy Plus. This is flight 1 of 3 on my way home after a great time flying with Advanced Airlines. If you haven't seen that trip report yet, feel free to check it out. This was originally an all-economy itinerary, but United gifted me a free Economy Plus upgrade for my birthday, which I promptly used on this flight. I knew I'd be tired and would want the extra space. My flight this morning is United Flight 621 with nonstop service to Denver, which is scheduled to depart Gate A1 at 7 a.m. United uses the A gates here at Albuquerque, along with Sun Country and Southwest. I'll say this, Albuquerque is a very nice airport. It's one of the nicest I've seen in a long time. Everything is very appealing to the eye, and all the staff are very nice. It really captures the New Mexico aesthetic and culture, if you ask me. Here we are at Gate A1, boarding is scheduled for 6:20 a.m. My plane to Denver is November 68807, an 11-year-old Boeing 737-924ER. This aircraft was delivered to United in 2013 and has recently been repainted in the Evo Blue livery.
Start the pre-boarding process for United Flight 4682 San Francisco. Customers with disabilities and those who need a little time to get down and check in, you are welcome to do that.
United 737-900ERs have 179 seats, 20 first-class recliners, 42 in Economy Plus, and 117 in Economy. I'm seated in 9A for this short 50-minute flight to Denver. These Economy Plus seats are 17 inches wide and offer 34 inches of pitch. The seatback pocket is huge and very clean. The tray table is standard size and does extend. Power outlets are available underneath each seat. This aircraft also features United's private screening, which is a fleet-wide feature, but will soon be phased out in favor of Starlink Wi-Fi, which will be free to all passengers. I even scored a whole row to myself. Bonus. Please enjoy the views as we depart off of Albuquerque's runway 21. seatback pocket contains a safety card, onboard menu, and a credit card pitch. United offers a sizable buy on board menu, including, but not limited to, snack boxes and hot meals. For the complimentary service, United offers a choice of pretzels, quinoa cookies, or Stroop waffles, as well as water, coffee, and Coke products. Due to the short duration of this flight, only water, coffee, and orange juice were available. Please enjoy our descent into Denver, landing on runway 17 right.
Welcome to Denver. We're the local time at 8:21. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is.
This has been another great flight with United. The Econ Plus upgrade for my birthday was a huge bonus and really made my morning. Despite the sequencing delay, we arrived 20 minutes early into Denver. The Wi-Fi on board this flight did not work, hence why it was not featured in this video, but that wasn't an issue because the flight was only 50 minutes long. The crew were great this morning. They saw me filming and offered me a visit to the flight deck, which unfortunately I had to decline due to my 25-minute connection time. Overall, United remains on top as my favorite mainline carrier, and I'm excited to show you guys their Boeing 777 in the next trip report. Thank you for watching this Nix Aviation Trip Report with United Airlines. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.